Welcome to the step-by-step installation guide for the IVAS Magnus ceiling fan. Start by carefully unboxing the Magnus ceiling fan and arranging the 7 components: down rod, telescopic canopy set, warranty card cum instruction manual, a remote with batteries, shackle kit, set of 3 blades and motor assembly. Begin with assembling the fan blades. Place the fan motor on the thermocouple as shown. Unscrew the blade assembly and set them aside. Fix the blades by screwing the bolt back into the motor and tighten them securely. Insert the down rod into the top and bottom canopies and attach the down rod to the motor assembly using screws and bolts. Add the shackle kit to the down rod using the provided screw. Turn off the power supply before installing the fan. Attach the shackle kit to the ceiling hook and secure it with screws. Pass the connection wire through the down rod and connect the wire to the junction box. Cover the wiring with the bottom canopy. If a regulator is installed, bypass the regulator's power supply before turning the fan on. Turn on the main power supply and operate the fan. Magnus ceiling fan boasts a unique advantage of a multifaceted remote control, providing a seamless experience. To pair the fan and remote, turn on the fan's power supply and immediately long press the power button on the remote for 10 seconds. When you hear 2 beep sounds from the fan, the pairing is successful. Magnus also offers the advantage of operating 2 fans with 1 remote if the fans are placed in close proximity. Pairing process for the second fan remains the same. In case of dual pairing, commands given from the remote will be applicable to both the fans, provided they are both turned on. The remote control offers 5-speed settings with the advantage of switching seamlessly between any 2 desired speeds, surpassing the hassle of a traditional speed regulator. Magnus has 3 advanced speed modes for an elevated surrounding: boost and breeze mode for higher speed and enhanced experience, smart mode for regulated cooling tailored to the room temperature. Powered by a BLDC motor, Magnus fan offers the advantage of a bidirectional rotation. That is, Magnus can operate in either direction, making it an all-season ceiling fan. The ability to optimize usage makes Magnus a smarter device. The timer option on the remote enables you to regulate the duration of the usage from 2 hours to a maximum of 8 hours. Magnus fan is a unique blend of style and substance, which not only provides a cooling solution but also enhances the style quotient of your space. Integrated with POS technology, Magnus illuminates spaces with mesmerizing light patterns. Lastly, it is crucial to understand the fundamental aerodynamics of ceiling fans to achieve optimal cooling. Ceiling fans offer a conical-shaped airflow. Hence, it is recommended to mount the fan 9 to 12 feet above the floor and ensure a minimum 1 foot gap between the ceiling and the motor for maximum air delivery. Congratulations! You have now successfully installed the IVAS Magnus ceiling fan.